ko yung alrighty.com, effect na effect. Talagang trinay ko kasi yung yaya ko nandun. Tapos sabi ko, sendan ko nga ng load si yaya. Sabi ko ganun. $2 lang! Marami na yung load. Mga 150 texts na rin yun. Sabi niya sa akin, Ate, thank you po. Diba? So,
this one I'm singing. I know you're all waiting for Jake Cuenca, but we're gonna do a little something else here. This is one by Billy Joel. I crashed your party.
Yeah!
That day I said I'm sorry. Something came and crashed me out again.
Love it!
Napakadali magpasaya ng kaibigan at kapamilya sa Pilipinas. Log on to ARYTY.com and send a gift of load to any Globe, Smart o Sun cellphone. Napakabilis, tanggap agad. Instant load, instant smile with ARYTY.com. Try it for free now!